Hey guys! Today we are making this fun little candy food. We're gonna open this. Do you want to open them, Maxine?
Yes.
Elliot, you can help, okay?
Open this box.
Oh, I'll help her. Hey, don't use your teeth. We're gonna cut our tray. Okay, so now.
No, I want the
Give it
jello.
to her. The first thing we're gonna do is use the yellow packet. Okay, so we got our half cup of water. Okay, throw that away, please. I'm gonna clean up the lid.
Serve it, Abby. I'm not doing it.
I hear sprinkles.
Thank you.
Oh, while we wait, I'm gonna make the ramen.
Abby,
Set.
go.
There, hold it upside down. Oh, good job, Abbas. Careful.
This is mine.
No share, Olive.
This is mine, Missy.
Just like dumpling. So now we're gonna make a.
Here, guys.
Olive poured all the sprinkles on the little dumplings, but it's okay.
We got the noodles.
We got noodles. We got the jelly.
It's many food.
Wait for me to taste test it, Maxine.
Do you like it, Bubs? Yeah.
Wait for me.
Okay.
Okay, so Olive, you try it.
Sticks.
How is it?
I got the noodles.
Okay, try it.
I want to try this.
You want to try the jelly?
Yeah. Ooh. I don't like that. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's yummy. Okay, I'm gonna try the noodles. Look at these. They look like a real top
Let me
ramen.
try. Okay, so I got a slice of the jelly.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
It's like cola flavor.
Okay. I don't like it.
The jelly is mango flavored.
I'm gonna try dumpling.
I'm gonna try a little dumpling. Cheers. Look at it.
Ah!
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it's opening.
Wow.
Well, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye.